Setting up Minecraft with high ping can be a challenge, but there are ways to optimize your connection for a better gaming experience. Follow these steps to help manage high ping issues in Minecraft. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. Use a speed test tool to measure your download and upload speeds. If your speeds are low, consider upgrading your plan or contacting your ISP. Step 2. Use a wired connection. Switch from a wireless connection to a wired Ethernet connection. This can significantly reduce latency and improve your overall connection stability while playing Minecraft. Step 3. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings by disabling background applications that use bandwidth, such as streaming services or downloads. You can also prioritize Minecraft in your router settings to ensure it gets the most bandwidth. Step 4. Choose the right server. Select the Minecraft server that is geographically closer to you. The closer the server, the lower the ping you will experience. Check server lists and choose one with a good reputation for low latency. Step 5. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game settings to reduce the load on your system and network. This includes reducing render distance, disabling fancy graphics, and turning off unnecessary features that may contribute to lag. By following these steps, you can improve your gaming experience in Minecraft even with high ping. Remember to regularly check your connection and settings for optimal performance.